Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello everyone, welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button, also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
What's trending? Well, good morning to you viewers. Let's begin what's trending with reactions trailing the removal of billboards promoting the words, "All eyes on the judiciary" across the country. Over the weekend, the Advertising Regulatory Council of Nigeria ordered the removal of the billboards and dissolved its advertising standards panel for approving the ads sponsored by a group known as the Diaspora for Good Governance. The ads were put up as the Presidential Election Tribunal prepares to deliver its verdict on the petitions challenging the victory of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Frank Shaibu, an aide on communication to former Vice President of Nigeria, Atiku Abubakar, said the removal of the billboards across the country is an assault on freedom of speech. I mean, he's not the only one, Dr. Abati, saying that this is an assault, but let me just take some parts of that statement from Archon. They wrote, "The advertisement is controversial and capable of instigating public unrest and breach of public peace," further stating that the advertisement is considered a blackmail against the Nigerian judiciary, the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal, and particularly the honorable justices of the tribunal who are expected to discharge their judicial functions without fear or favor over a matter that is currently jus pendens. I mean, Dr. Abati, you are the law student here.
Okay, two sides to this story. Yesterday, when that story broke, it was said that Tinubu had dissolved the board of Archon, or is it the Advertising Standards panel? I thought that, appeared very strange because that would be a draconian way to intervene in the operations of a body established by statutes. But by the end of the day, the Advertising Regulatory Council of Nigeria itself came forward and took ownership of it and said in a statement signed by the Director General that it was Archon that suspended the directors, the persons in charge of the advertising standards panel, and that's the statement we have on the board there. And they said, there was no vetting, and that there was no approval by the council, and that the council it was that directed that the materials should be pulled down immediately, and that the directors in charge should go on suspension. What are the arguments that the Archon was putting forward? That the advertisement said to have been put together by a group of persons in diaspora was addressing a matter that is pending, jus pendis, it is called, before the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal, and that it will be prejudicial, and that it is capable of causing disaffection, resulting, in bringing the judex into disrepute, into defamation in the eyes of the right-thinking members of society. That's the technical expression. And then so the Archon took ownership of it. The other side of the argument, which I said I was worried about when it was said it was the presidency that took a decision, is about the right to free speech. Okay? People can say all eyes are on the judiciary, they can go and put it there. So I thought, how would the Tinubu administration politicize this? But they have been pushed out of it, ACON has taken responsibility as a body established by law. However, the other side of it is that, look, the judiciary has been under fire. Everybody has been saying the judiciary, all eyes are on the judiciary. But within the context of where the presidential election petitions are now, where final written addresses have been adopted, the concern, is that attempts have been made from different directions to put pressure on their lordships. And that would be contemptuous to do so. Yeah. Contempt in face of court, or contempt away from the face of the court, which is called contempt ex facie curia. In which category will fall the allegation by Babatunde Fashola SAN that some people were saying, oh, he was writing judgment for the presidential election petition tribunal. But the truth that we all know is that Nigerians are all anxious about the outcome of that presidential election petition tribunal.
That is the point.
And what will come out of the 180 days process prescribed in the Constitution for the determination of petitions arising from the presidential election process. So that is why this takes on a fresh significance. And people are saying, oh, if you are pulling down the billboard, okay, all of us have been saying it now, that the judges must do their job without fear or favor, no matter whose ox is God.
100%.
That's the received wisdom 100%. There. So it's a two-way thing. ACON can hide under the fact that, well, it's the regulatory authority, but it's ACON acting under pressure. Did anybody push ACON to come out with this statement? Is ACON's statement a cover-up as a result of pressure from certain interested parties?
Those are very valid.
But as for the statement, yes, the judiciary is under pressure. After all, the recent NBA Speedel conference, the whole issue was about the role of the judiciary and the role of lawyers who are forum shopping and misbehaving contrary to the rules of conduct in this entire process. So as a statement, not many people will quarrel with it. So the relevant questions to raise is ACON acting truthfully? Was ACON pushed? And why? Because this will not even stop people from saying all eyes are on the judiciary.
Oh, it's been trending
Certainly,
for
all
months.
eyes are on the judiciary.
That's the hashtag trending.
But the judex should also not be intimidated.
All right.
Because that will be contemptuous. Ex facie curia.
Awesome. Good questions raised. We'll take another story.
Ladies and gentlemen, good day, my brothers and sisters, my mummies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all. Ladies and gentlemen, good day, my brothers and sisters, my mummies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all. Ladies and gentlemen, good day my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.